Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Apache 164V supports Bluetooth and that firmware is current. This avoids pairing quirks. Next, open Settings, go to Connectivity, then Bluetooth, and switch it on so the TV broadcasts. On your phone or laptop, enable Bluetooth and set it to visible or pairing mode. This lets the TV discover the device. Make sure batteries are charged, and there are no active audio connections that could block pairing, because the TV often prefers one device at a time. Once Bluetooth is active, you want to scan for nearby devices on the Apache 164V. The TV lists device names, pick the one matching your phone or dongle. If a PIN appears, enter it on the source device. Common defaults are 0000 or 1234, and confirming prevents unauthorized links. After connection, select the proper audio profile. A2DP gives high-quality stereo for media, while HFP or headset profiles are for voice. Make sure media out. You finish by playing audio and adjusting both TV and source volume to avoid distortion. Check lip sync and delay. If you experience lag, stuttering, or drops, unpair the device on both ends and repeat the pairing sequence because cached profiles often cause conflicts. If problems persist, reset the TV's Bluetooth module in settings rather than full factory reset. That preserves channels and apps. One troubleshooting tip: move other wireless devices away. 2. 4 GHz interference commonly disrupts Bluetooth connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.